Hello, my name is Stewart. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another one of these special videos for you. And what I want to talk about in this video is I've set up a new Facebook group called the Macro World. Now there's a link to it in the description below if you would like to join it, and there's a reason why I've done this, because there's a lot of information out there when it comes to learning macro photography. And what I want to do is to get a place where we can share our work, but more importantly, get help from other macro photographers without having, the lack of a decent word, having the piss taken out of you. Now, I'm a member of several groups, and there are some good groups on Facebook, I will tell you that, but there are also some bad groups where you can post something on there and you'll just get picked on. People will go, that's crap, and it's just no good. You're not going to learn that way. So what I've done is I created a group on Facebook. Again, it's the Macro World. There's a link in the description below if you want to join it. You join there, you can post your work, but more importantly, and this is what I think is the more fun part of it, you can ask questions in that group directly to me and other members of the group, and the really good questions, the ones that will get me thinking, hold on a minute, maybe other people don't know the answer to this, I will actually make a video and put it onto YouTube. So your question and yourself might actually get featured on YouTube. So the important thing here is, if you don't want to be featured on YouTube, don't necessarily join this group, because if you join the group and you ask a question like, how do I keep an insect still while I take a photo, then I might see that question and go, you know, that's an interesting subject, let's make a video of that. You know, actually, I might actually make a video about that. But if you want the answer to that is sugar water, or sometimes I use syrup or honey, drop a little drop of that, it keeps them still quite well. Anyway, moving on. If you ask a question like that in the group, I might feature it and I might make a video on it to actually answer it. So you might get featured on my YouTube channel. It's just another way of us being able to communicate and socialise together. Okay, I will also look at your work and I will give it a thumbs up or thumbs down. But the one thing you won't get is, that's crap. You're not going to get that. If your image is not that good, then I will give you tips on how to get better with macro photography. Also, if you want to get better at macro photography, what you can do is look at this video here. That will give you 5 tips for better macro photography. Anyway, that's it for this video. Again, the link for the group is down below. Anyone is welcome. However, if you do misbehave in that group, if you are nasty, if you post links that are not valid, spam, or just generally a nasty and unlikable person, you will get kicked out of that group. Okay? So we're there in the group to learn together and to give each other feedback and to ask me questions, again, that I might feature on YouTube. That's it for this video. I just thought I'd put that out. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Stewart Wood. I'll see you on the next one.